of the Agba before. You can only use it once in 20 years. Once in 20 years. Okay. No, you are killing me. Seriously, you are killing my spirit. Oh. Hey! See see 5 babe. Oh no. Babe, shall I give you a shocker? You are the one I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Yes, darling.
Child, let me shock you.
Here is God.
Really? You are the full meaning of God mass. See, you are botilicious.
Oh my God.
You are opulent. You are debonair. You are mesmeric. You are aesthetic. And you are splendid.
What are you trying to say?
Oh babe, wait oh. How am I even sure that this English you're speaking is correct?
You mean the English me I'm speaking is not correct? Do you know, wait. Do you know who is standing before you? Me Odindi Koparo of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I have 5 masters, 5 BSc, 5 HND. You don't know, you don't believe.
So you mean I'm beautiful?
See, you are the example that has cosmopolitan the attitude of a beauty. You are indifferently different like the angel that sing in heaven. Seriously, you are just extravagance.
Oh my God.
You are.
My dad is back. My dad is back.
My
dad is back. I'm giving me tea. He will kill you.
Your dad is back.
Yes.
What will happen? Let's go inside now.
You want to kill me?
What will happen?
Do something.
Wait, what is doing you, sir? Wait, do you think I'm just a copper that don't know what I'm doing? I will show you now. Wait. Of the Agba before. Sorry sir, sorry, I'm going to Alagbado. I am going to Alagbado. I say I'm going to Alagbado. I say I am going to Alagbado. Abi, some mental disease is worrying this one. I say I'm going to Alagbado. You are speaking in tongues. Show me the way to Alagbado. You
don't know why it's going on.
Show me this place. Alagbado, no. I
say I am going to Alagbado. You are telling me nonsense. I say Alagbado. If Alagbado, that's where I'm going. You are saying another thing.
You Nigeria. Look like Nigeria. Yeah, China.
Something is doing this one. Are you not a Nigerian? I'm a Nigerian. You are Nigeria. What are you?
No. Black, yeah, China. This is China, not Alagbado.
Wait.
Yeah.
You mean? Me, I'm in China.
Yeah.
You mean China?
Yeah.
China, Lawa.
Yeah.
China.
Yeah.
Hey, you see this thing we are giving? You can only use it once in 20 years. Once in 20 years. Yes. But anywhere you find yourself, you are going to spend 20 years there. Now confront you, I give you. Over. Oh
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. God bless you. Please subscribe to Mstarcomedy TV on YouTube to get more entertaining and more comedy videos. Thank you very much. Subscribe to Mstarcomedy on YouTube to get daily entertainment videos. Thank you very much.